All right, so this might just be one of the best mac and cheese me ever make. Trust me. All right, guys. So for this mac and cheese, we have some barilla elbows right here. This is what we're gonna kick start it with. Okay. All right, to the pot, we're gonna just add some salt to it. All right, so now we're gonna prepare our cheese, and here I have 3 different cheese. Okay, we're gonna shred some cheese right now. Extra sharp cheddar. I have the aged white Cracker Barrel. Now we're gonna do the Vermont sharp white. We have 3 cheese mixed together. All right, now that we have this ready, guys, we're gonna move on to stage 2. We're gonna bring the macaroni to boil. Yeah, I'm gonna let this cook until they become al dente. All right. All right, now it's time for the sauce. All right, and the macaroni is ready, guys. Okay, so to the saucepan, I'm gonna add some butter. To this, we're gonna add some onions, and we're gonna add a bunch of garlic in it too as well. All right. And to this, we're gonna add some flour. Yeah, we're gonna create what we call a roux. The flour is gonna also soak up some of that butter as well and help to thicken the sauce. Yeah. Just wanna get it charred a little bit. Now I have some evaporated milk I'm gonna add to this. Here, gonna add some seasoning. So I have some adobo here. We have some of that all-purpose Maggi. Can't do without the Maggi. A little bit of paprika. And this is optional. But we need some of that coloring, alright? Alright, so now you want to put it on medium heat, medium to low. Next, you want to add a little black pepper, not too much. And a little crushed pimento, my style. Because I want that sauce to have some flavor. Alright, so we're gonna let this boil up for a little while. Alright, so let's check the consistency of this right now. Oh yeah, perfect. See that? So the body is coming together nicely. And we don't want to boil this too long because we don't want to break the sauce, yeah? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some cheese to it. You can add a ton load if you have, but this should be fine because we're gonna put cheese on top as well, okay? And this is enough to get the sauce sticking to the right consistency as well. Taste it. See that? Nice. Perfect. You see that, guys? Perfect cheese sauce. See that? So now we're gonna bring the macaroni into this. Should I use a bigger pan for this? But anyway, I'm gonna make it work. All right, so you wanna turn this inside. See that? Nice and gooey. So now you wanna spin some cheese into this as well. All right, so let's portion this in our pan, yeah? Right here, so I have 3. I'll add some cheese in between this. We're gonna top it off again, all right? For the last part of it now, I'm gonna put some more cheese on top. Might need a little more cheese. All right, peeps, so we got a little extra cheese to finish this off. Now, this is optional, but I'm just gonna add some paprika on the top of it. It's gonna act as a garnish as well, yeah? So I have the oven set to 375. We're just gonna drop this in the oven and just let it bake for like 10 to 15 minutes, yeah? All right, so this might just be one of the best mac and cheese me ever make. Trust me. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Oh wow.